Welcome to the channel, kids. Today we will learn animals' names and how they sound. Hi kids. I am a rabbit. I usually live in forest.
And I love eating carrots.
Hi kids, I am a dog. Do you know, human loves me. And I sound like. I am a bear. I live in caves. And I sound like. I am a fox. I am notorious for my cleverness.
And here I am, wandering around the jungle.
Hey, I am an alligator. I live in water. And I sound like. I am an owl. Do you know, I don't sleep at night. Hey, I am an elephant. I am too huge to carry. And I sound like. Hi, I am koala. I am lazy more than anything. Hello, I am penguin. I only live in snow. Hi, I am butterfly. I have wings to fly. I am a frog. I can live on both water and earth. And I sound like. Hi there. I am a cat. I hunt mouses. And I sound like. I am a cow. Humans drink my milk. And I sound like. Hi kids. I am a chicken. I lay eggs. And I sound like. I am a goat. Humans also drink my milk. And I sound like. I am a bird. I also have wings to fly. And I sound like. I am a panda. I do nothing and sleep. And I sound like. Hello. Kids, I am pig. I am pink in color. And I sound like. I am deer. Humans love my tender meat. And I sound like. Let's have a quick recap. Come and let me know which one is a dog. Yes. Option B, you have chosen the right option. Now tell me which one is a goat. Very good. Yes, option C is the correct one here.
Okay kids, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like.